And then at Batopilas, we had an amazing start to our drill season. We on the first hole we put out, we had this incredible intersect of native silver that was visible to the driller. So we thought, let's put the news out before, because it's not something that you can, keep on the wraps.
Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics, live in the silver capital of the planet. And I know we have a lot of fans of Reyna Silver on the show. And fortunately, for a quick update on what Reyna has been up to over the last couple of months, Jorge Ramiro Monroy joining me. We just recorded a great interview, but just so we can give a quick update to your shareholders, what's been going on, latest updates with Reyna Silver?
Chris, good to see you again. And just to give everyone a brief update on Reyna Silver, and please do go and look at our last couple of press releases for more details. But we did announce we're actively exploring our 3 projects: Gigi, Batopilas, and Medicine Springs. We've been drilling at both at Gigi and Batopilas all year long. At Gigi, we finally put our press release announcing the results of our first 12,000 meters of drilling. And really what we had started, the objective of that drill campaign was to look for 2 things: the continuation of one of the biggest historic districts in Mexico, the Santa Eulalia district, and looking specifically for the skarn portion of the system. So we're looking for the intrusive and the skarn mineralization. We were able to find both of them. We found a 54-meter intersect with continuous mineralization with some portions of high-grade silver. But most importantly, we feel like we've zeroed into exactly what we're looking for and the basis for what we think could be a very significant discovery. Just to give you a sense of size, the other half of the district has been in production and produced 500 million ounces of silver. Typically, in these type of deposits, the skarn part of the system can contain, as much as the upper part and sometimes more. So please keep your eye on that. We'll be keeping the market updated. We already started stage 2. We're going to do between 8,000 and 12,000 meters. We already are maybe 3,000 meters into stage 2. And then at Batopilas, we had an amazing start to our drill season. We on the first hole we put out, we had this incredible intersect of native silver that was visible to the driller. So we thought, let's put the news out before, because it's not something that you can, keep on the wraps. Because we had just to show you listeners, this is what native silver looks like. We found this at surface. It's essentially silver that's not crystallized into the rock. It's silver that's in pure form. We drilled right underneath it and found about 900 grams per ton silver equivalent, but with a visible silver veinlet that's about 10,000 grams per ton gold. What we're looking for at Batopilas is not, we find this small silver vein, but what the old timers were mining were these massive ore shoots that were essentially solid native silver that could go for, the old mine is about 2 kilometers, and the average grades of the silver in certain sections of the mine could be as high as 20 kilos per ton. Just to give you a sense, today's average of mining silver is about 150 grams per ton. And the kind of silver we're looking for here is native silver. It means you don't have to separate it chemically. You can, the old timers would crush it, use a gravity circuit, and it's straight into the gold room. So please do follow us. We have a newsletter on our website. You can sign up for regular updates, and we also have a Twitter and LinkedIn account where we keep showing different aspects of our company's development. And I'm also active on Twitter under my name, Jorge Ramiro, also giving updates on the company and also speaking about sharing some of our thoughts on silver. So thank you everyone. And I said this in the interview, but if anybody's interested, I'm also happy to send you a copy of the Silver Magnet, which is a book on the history of the Batopilas project that we're drilling right now. It's the account of how an American entrepreneur in the late 1800s, came to Mexico and put together what became the highest grade silver mine in the history of Mexico. And a success that we're trying to replicate now using modern technology and the knowledge of Peter McGaw, who is the co-founder of Max Silver and arguably one of the most successful silver exploration geologists. So thanks, Chris, for giving me the opportunity to give this update.
Well, Jorge Ramiro Monroy of Reyna Silver. And again, in the description field right there below, you can find out how to get information about Reyna Silver now, which many of my smartest silver mining analysts have rated as one of their stocks that unofficially licensed advice you may want to do further due diligence on. So Jorge, I thank you, and we catch up with you again soon, senor.
Thank you.